broken down and tired of living life for a merry-go-round. And you can find a fighter by seeing you, so I'm gonna walk it out. Mountains.
Trending ngayon guys ang rehearsal ng anak ni Marian Rivera na si Zia. Grabe, ang galing ng boses. Parang si Olivia Rodrigo. So, habang pinapanood ni Marian yung anak niya, ay naiyak ito. So, basahin natin yung post ni Marian Rivera. Pumatak ang luha ko sa panonood sa'yo habang nag-rehearsal ka. Ito ang una mong pagkakataon na sumubok sa mga bagay na hindi ka familiar. Pero sinubukan mo, as in literal. Ito ang first time mo tumuntong sa entablado para kumanta. Palagi mong tatandaan, nandito kaming pamilya mo. So, suporta sa'yo hanggang kung saan ka dalahin ng mga pangarap mo. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, lahat ng biyayang ito ay mula sa kanya at iaalay natin sa taas. You make mama proud as always. Yan ang tahasang pahayag ni Marian Rivera sa kanyang panganay na si Zia. Grabe, ang post na to guys ay nandoon kay Marian Rivera na umabot na siya ng 2 million mahigit within 4 hours. Mayroon siyang 213,000 reaction, tapos 4,000.9k comment at 2.2k share. So nagtrending talaga siya sa unang araw pa lang, or oras pa lang. So magbasa tayo ng mga komento ng mga tagahanga ng anak ni Marian. Hi yan, siguro frustrated singer si Mami Marian. Kidding aside, that's why gusto niyang isupport si Bibi Zia sa dream niya, kasi as parent, diba, pag isang bagay na di natin na-achieve nung bata tayo, somehow yun ang gusto natin i-pursue ng anak natin, at kapag nag-succeed, grabe yung pagka-proud natin, at hindi lang doble, triple, or quadruple na proudness ang unhappiness ma-feel natin basta di natin ma-explain ang kagalakan. Good job, Zia. Congrats, Mami Marian. May God lead you in achieving your dreams. Natural. All parents, especially mothers, feel so proud when they see their children exploring new things and excelling in what they do, and most especially when it brings them happiness. When they comes that my little princess wanted to pursue her dreams or passion, I am 1,000,000% support and proud of her. It's been seeing this kid is so talented since day one. She knows how to play the piano and an early age, and cooking, and now making her way to singing. Congrats to proud parents. You're doing great, Zia. She has a nice tone. There, huskiness in it. Galing, love it. Wow, good job, Ate Z. I felt goosebumps seeing you grow and talent. Your Mama Marian and Papa Dingdong are so much proud of you. Charot na ko makakomment. Oy, mura mag-close. She's not only beautiful but super talented. Bless you, heart, Zia. I'm always a fan. Maribel from Massachusetts. Great timber. With the right training, you're going to go far. Keep singing, Z. You have everything you need to succeed. Wishing you all the best, young lady. Blessing. Ganda ng voice. Pag nahasa at natutunan niya ang mga iba't ibang timbre, ang ganda nga eh. Parang ginagaya niya si Olivia Rodrigo. Ang galing ng boses. Napakalamig. We're so proud of you, Ate Zia. Talented girl. God bless and proud parents. Dongyan, congratulations. Ang galing, like father and mother. So very talented. God bless you all. Sana all mabuti pa siya. Maganda boses, may tonong pagkanta niya. Pero ako wala, binigyan ka ni Lord magandang boses. At ang galing mo din mag-swimming. Sana all talaga. Sana ako din marunong lumangoy din pag nagpapaturo ako sa asawa ko. Nilulunod ako, napagod na yata sa akin sa kakaturo mag-swimming. Di pa din ako marunong lumangoy. Proud po ako sa mga parents ni Zia, Mami Marian, and Daddy Ding Dong. Gwapo pa yung bunso. Mistiso bata. Merry Christmas and God bless sa family. Awesome, very simple and humble girl, but gifted with such talent from God. She could also try and serve in the church choir, so she's giving back to the Lord, and she could also be lead singer or cantor. Just my 2 cents. You can sing, Zia. I'm impressed. More practice and you'll get better and better. She's natural, a gifted singer. Congrats to supported parents. Super proud parents pag binayaan ka ng super talented at magandang anak sa'yo na lahat. Bihira ang ganyang biniyayaan ng magagandang boses. Nakaka-proud na anak. God bless. She has a good voice. She will be rise soon with her voice. So, ang daming nagagandahan, pati ako nagagandahan ako sa boses ng anak ni Marian. So, anong sa inyo dito? Comment down kayo dyan sa tono sa boses ng anak ni Marian na Maala Olivia Rodrigo. So, yun lang muna ang ating topic for today. Kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa ating channel, please hit the notification bell, like, share, and subscribe. Caridad Official TV. Hanggang sa muli, and thank you so much.